Some of us don't already know that the WAEC exam is so close. In fact, what you are looking at is the timetable, right? Some of us don't know that the exam is already closer than we think. And in this video, I'll be helping you by reviewing the timetable, the official WAEC timetable for 2025 WAEC examination. So I just want you to pay attention. If you have your paper and pen, by the way, I can also send you this material. So we will be looking at it subject by subject to know the days your exam fall into. One of the reasons why it is important that you know is that knowing the days of your exam will help to guide you in your study, right? Knowing the days of your exam will guide you as you continue to read, as you continue to prepare for this examination. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, let's start from the beginning. I want you to pay close attention. This is the official timetable for WAEC 2025, except if there is now a change, because sometimes the timetable may be changed. But as of this moment that we are watching, this is the timetable. Remember, this one is for candidates in the Gambia, Liberia, Nigeria, and Sierra Leone. So if you are in any of these 4 nations, this timetable should cover your own exam. 24th of April, Thursday, 24th April, the exam will kick off with food and nutrition and home management. All of them are practical, right? One hour section, 8:30 to 9:30, then 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock. Do you understand? 24th. I hope you can see. Then on Friday, the exam will start on Thursday, 24th. Then on Friday, it will be animal husbandry, alternative A. Then there will also be clerical office duties, alternative, that is essay and objective. Some of you don't do these subjects. Then Monday 28th, we'll look at things like metal work, store management, and all the rest. I know some of you don't do this subject, but they are part and parcel of the WAEC timetable. Then on 29th, we'll have things like woodwork, applied electricity, basic electricity. That is Tuesday 29th April 2025. Then we should have Wednesday 30th, we have electronics. Then we also have basic electronics and food and nutrition, essay and objective. Remember the food and nutrition we had on Thursday 24th was practical, but the essay and objective for food and nutrition will now be on 30th of April. Are you with me? Okay, let's move on. Let's look at the dates we have in May. By 2nd of May, we'll have things like furniture, automobile parts, painting and decoration, photography, fishery, scenography, garments. I know you are waiting for things like mathematics, English. Just follow me. We will all get there. Machine working, plumbing, carpentry, printing, health, education, and health sciences. Then on Monday 5th, we have Arabic 1 and 2. Then business management, essay and objective. Then on Tuesday 6th, we have commerce, essay and objective, computer studies, then principle of accounting. If you watch this video from now until the end, I can give you this timetable. If you want me to send this timetable to you so that you will be able to actually find out the dates of your own exam, you tell me. Just watch till the end and I will tell you how I can send it to you, how you will get it when I send it, this particular timetable. Okay, then Wednesday 7th, we have auto electrical works, scenography, radio, television and electronic works, dyeing and bleaching, welding, fabrication, office practice, tourism, fisheries, and all the rest. All of them will be on 7th of May. Okay? Then By Thursday, 8th of May, we have management in living, animal husbandry, fisheries, forestry. I know some of you don't do this, but there are still some that apply it. Then on 9th May, we have mining, GSM, leatherwork, bookkeeping, crop husbandry, and all the rest. Let's now move down to the main areas you people are looking for. Monday, 12th of May, we have further mass, essay and objective. Then 13th, that is Tuesday of May, we have Arabic, that is oral, physical education, clothing, textile, food and nutrition, practical, and all the rest. Tuesday 13th May, we have government. Tuesday 13th, we have government and agri science. When I send you this timetable, you will be able to know the dates. Then Wednesday 14th of May, we have civic education, engineering, marketing. Okay, depending on your country. That is why I need to send you this timetable so that you actually know your own. 15th of May, Thursday, we have biology practical. Then literature in English, drama and poetry. By Friday 16th, we have music, agric, building construction. Are you following? If you watch this video till the end, I will be able to I will tell you how you can download this timetable. I could send it to you for your easier reading. Then on 19th of May, Monday, we have music, then ICT and clothing. Then 20th of May, we have chemistry for science, chemistry practicals. Then we have Hausa, we have Igbo, we have Yoruba, we have Edo, we have Efik, we have Ibibio, we have forestry. All these languages and all of them are on Tuesday, 20th of May, 2025. Then 21st, Wednesday, we'll have things like CRS, Islamic Studies, Physics essay and objective. Then 22nd of May, we have chemistry. Then in the evening, we have literature. 23rd, we have biology. Then we have biology and home management on 23rd of May. I will send you this timetable if you watch this video from beginning to the end. When I send it to you, you will not know all the basic information when you download it. But that is if you watch this video from now to the end. Then Monday 26th, we have electronics, basic, electronic, visual arts. Tuesday, we have physics, practical. Then we have building construction and French. In the afternoon, there will be French. Wednesday is the main day. Wednesday 28th of May, the main day. That is English language. English language, essay and objective. Okay, 29th on Thursday of May will be geography. Geography throughout, essay objective. Okay. Then by 30th of May will be English language orals. Then crop husbandry and horticulture. That was not your business. Okay. Let's move on. By 3rd of June, that will be the last month for the exam. It will be maths, general mathematics, very simple subject. Maths is I'm sure maths is your simplest subject. Then we have Wednesday, 4th of June, we have economics and financial accounting. There will be holiday. There will be these Muslim holidays on Thursday, Friday, and Monday. That's 5th to 9th of June. We'll all rest. Then if you're a Muslim, go for your prayers and observe the holiday. 10th of June, we have metal work and history. Okay, are you still following? We'll have exam is almost ending by then. Okay, exam is almost ending. When I send you this material, we have alternative B, chemistry practical by 17th of June. Physics alternative B practical will be 18th of June. Fisheries will be 19th of June. Physical education will be only on 20th of June. And by 20th of June, you are done with your exam. If you need me to send you this material, in fact, you need me to send it to you so that you can pay closer attention to this timetable. It's good you have it on your phone. Possibly you need to copy it out, have it on your phone. Remember, this between now and the first day of the exam, WAEC might decide to adjust this timetable, but this is what we have now. Just have your eye on our channel. If there is any change, if there is any updates to this timetable, I'm going to be the first person to send it to you to publish it on our YouTube channel. If you need me to send you this timetable, just do 4 things. Number 1, join our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. It is compulsory. Join our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Just click on join and join immediately. Number 2, like this video. Click on like this video. Number 3, share this video. Click on share it here on YouTube. Then also click on share. Copy the link of this particular video you are watching, this timetable video. Copy the link, share it on WhatsApp, share it on Telegram channels, WhatsApp channel, YouTube groups, Facebook groups, Twitter, X, Telegram, all the groups, all the platforms you belong to, wherever WAEC candidates are, share it with them. Then when you have joined, joining is very, very important. Joining is compulsory. When you have joined, liked, share, then subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorial. Just tap on share or on join. On subscribe. Click on subscribe, then turn on the notification bell. When you subscribe, come under the video, this particular video, and type, I have subscribed. I have subscribe. Once I see you type I've subscribed, I will chat you up and send to you this particular timetable. There's a video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Tap on it now and watch.